Buying an iced-out Rolex isn't just a flex, it's a rite of passage for anyone chasing that ultra-bling lifestyle. But the funny thing is, a lot of people never realize just how many potholes exist on that road until it's way too late. There's the dream. You, gliding through the city, sun glinting off the diamonds like a disco ball. The reality? Unless you pay close attention, you could splash out $40,000 only to realize you've purchased a Frankenstein's monster of aftermarket gems and mismatched parts. A huge pain point is this. Luxury watches are already expensive, but as soon as you add diamonds, the price rockets, usually tacking on an extra 5,200%, depending on the stone quality and the jeweler's reputation. And some of these deals look a little too good for a reason. First step, figure out what you actually want. Are you going for a factory set diamond Rolex, or is an aftermarket bust-down okay with you? Factory means Rolex themselves put the stones in, which is rare, expensive, and holds value way better. Aftermarket, more bling for your buck, but expect resale value to crash harder than my high school skateboard tricks. Big pro tip, if you want your watch to have investment value, always pick factory set. Rolex doesn't mess around with diamond quality, and collectors know it. Aftermarket looks wild, but it's like putting racing stripes on a Toyota Camry expecting Ferrari resale. Let's talk authentication. So many fakes out there, and iced-out models are a forger's paradise. Always buy from a reputable dealer. Think names like Bob's Watches, Watchbox, or your local Rolex authorized retailer. Ask for paperwork, box, warranty card. That deal on eBay? 99 times out of 100, it's wishful thinking. Diamonds sparkle, but diamond quality varies. Rolex uses flawless VS Plus clarity stones. A lot of aftermarket jobs swap in cloudy, poorly cut diamonds to maximize profit. You can literally see the difference under the right light. Rolex glitters, knockoff jobs kind of shimmer like grocery store jewelry. Sizing matters too. Try the watch on first. An iced-out Rolex weighs much more, sometimes 300 grams or more, depending on model and stone density. If your wrist isn't up for the challenge, you'll go from flex to ouch pretty quick. Maintenance isn't cheap. Every few years you'll need a service, and all those stones make it way more expensive. Factory diamond Rolexes get the red carpet from service centers. Aftermarket? They'll probably turn you away or send you to an independent repair shop with sketchy Yelp reviews. Insurance is a must, and it isn't trivial. Most policies require either an official appraisal or proof of purchase from a legit dealer. Lose your Rolex and think State Farm will just cut you a check? Not without miles of paperwork and multiple third-degree interrogations. One mistake people make: over-personalizing, adding jacuzzis of diamonds in weird colors, initials, whatever. If you ever want to sell, those touches will make buyers run for the hills. Clean, classic work always commands the best price. Another pro tip before you buy: try renting an iced-out Rolex first. Yes, that's a thing now. Wear one for a week and see if you love the attention or want to run away into the Oregon woods. Some people realize it's a magnet for gawkers and sometimes pickpockets. So if you're going to drop the price of a loaded Honda Civic on a watch, go slow. Sweat the details, find a real dealer, and always remember that diamonds aren't a shortcut to luxury. They're just one really shiny stop along the way.